2020 Land Rover Defender isn't going anywhere. It's protected with a Ghost-II Immobiliser. So we start the vehicle, we have to go through a unique code, which we pop in using factory buttons, wait for a double flash from the full beam, and now we'll be able to select a gear and drive away. Remains running and we're good to go. Turn the vehicle off. This activates in about 5 seconds, and if someone tried to grab the key, steal the vehicle off you when you got home, try and do a relay attack on it in the night, they'll get it started. When they pop it into gear, it cuts out. The RPMs drop, the engine dies, and the vehicle's going no further. After that, it's just not going to start, so it gives you one attempt, so you can keep your remote start and stuff like that. But if someone attempts it by popping it in gear, it's no longer going to start until it's seen your code. So in this situation, what you need to do is turn the ignition on, so foot off the brake, pop your code in, wait for the double flash, and now we'll be able to put our foot on the brake, start the vehicle and drive it away. And now it's going to reset, so the next time someone tries to steal this or you try and start it, it's going to start up like normal, and as long as you don't put it in gear, you're not going to be in the same situation. So to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Ghost-II Immobiliser, and one more time we'll show you how it works. The car's running, we haven't gone through the code, someone's got the key, they select a gear and it cuts out. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle.